Hello folks, today we will be downloading Cursor AI. It's a new ID in the market built on the top of VS Code. It basically gives us the ability to use our coding skills as well as the AI models at the same ID. So today we will explore it. So let's first start with downloading and installing it. So in order to install it, you just have to search for Cursor AI. And then you will get link here. Now we will click on the first link, which is www.cursor.com. Click here, and here you can see the options download for Windows. Click on it. Now you have to select the folder in which you have to download. I am keeping it on a desktop. Select desktop and click on save. Its approximate size is about 110 MB, so it will take a couple of 1 or 2 minutes. Let's wait for it to finish. Now as you can see, our exe file has been downloaded, so it's time to install it. So just click on that exe file. It will ask you to accept their agreement. Click on I accept the agreement and then click on next. It will ask you for the path to folder on which you have to install Cursor AI ID. So I will keep it to default and just click on next. Again click on next. Here you can select option to create a desktop icon and then click on next. Keep those settings to default. Keep on. Click on install. It will take some moment to get it installed. Now you can see our Cursor AI has been installed. Click on finish and right click on launch cursor, as once we finished it, it will launch our IDE. So now we are at our welcome screen to our Cursor. You can sign up or you can continue without signing up. So for now I am continuing without signing up. Click on skip and continue. There is an option to import from the VS Code. If you already have some settings on your VS Code or extensions, you can import them. But as I'm doing it from scratch, so I will click on skip and continue. Again, you have options here to continue your theme, which is Cursor Dark Midnight, and Cursor Dark Contrast. So it is similar to VS Code, what options we get in VS Code. So for now, I will be using Cursor Dark. You also have option to explore more themes, but for now we will go with the first one. Click on continue. So here are some kind of tutorials that we have given, where we can use agents and cursor tabs and control K. Control K is basically to use edit functionality for the code. As we move on, I will explain it to you. Click continue. Here you have option to share your data, and also you got a privacy mode where it won't share your data. Now you will have to read the privacy policy for both of them. For now I will be using privacy mode. Click on continue, and there are some basic settings such as a language and open for terminal. I will click on continue, and here we go. Here our Cursor AI has been launched. So on the right side you can see we have option of new chart, where it is very similar to ChatGPT. Like, it will give us option to code and other related recommendations as per our prompt. Here there are file, edit, selection, view, go, run terminal options which are like similar to VS Code. So we will click on file. Here also we have the same functionality as that we have in a VS Code. So I will click on new text file, new window. So we'll click on new text file. So here it is showing me the prompt to press Ctrl key to generate code. So let's press Ctrl plus K. So now we have here a prompt like tab where we can give our prompt, and here we can also choose models. So for now I am using Cloud Sonnet. So I am giving a prompt, create a Python code for me to analyze even and odd numbers. This is a very basic prompt I am giving for. Hit on generate. Okay, so it is asking me to log in. I don't have account on it, so let's sign up. I'm just clicking on continue with the Google. So I have logged in, and once I logged in, you will see our output is generated. And here you can see it has built a code which will be able to identify whether number is even or odd. Here are two options given to us. One is accept and another one is reject. For reject there is a shortcut for Ctrl plus N. For accept there is a shortcut Ctrl Shift plus Y. So in this way it has become our coding much more easier. So you can simply hit a problem statement and it will create a code for you. So now we will try our chat feature. So in chat you will get some pop-ups here. In case you want to install you can, but for now I am ignoring them. So here I am using reject as I don't want this code. So in the chat I am putting write a code for me to print prime numbers between 1 to 50. So again here you have options agent, task, manual, and then auto. Here you can select models as well, but for now I am keeping it on auto mode. You can provide images as well to the chat function. So it is very similar to our chat GPT. I am clicking send. So once you click on send, it will start generating code for you. And here we can see it has helped me creating a Python code which will be able to generate prime numbers from 1 to 50 along with explanation. So here you get option to copy the code. You also get option to apply to untitled one. Just simply copy that code and paste it here, and our code is ready. In this way you can try multiple features of it, such as edit, selection, view. Terminal, it's like the common terminal that we get on a VS Code where you can use multiple commands. On the file section we have here open file, open folder option. For now let's say I'm just creating a new blank folder. Again selecting the same folder here. Save. So here we get our Git options, our file option, create file, create folder. It's very similar to what options we get in a VS Code. But on top of VS Code, here we have got some inbuilt chat GPT and as well as the code editor. So hope this video was helpful for you. Do experiment, do explore. Thank you.